Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is specially for new YouTubers in which we will see how to add closed captions or subtitles to your YouTube videos. I suggest you all that you should use subtitles in your YouTube videos because it will be very helpful in reaching more audience and it also increases your YouTube search rankings. I have made a lot of videos for new YouTubers. You can just check by visiting my YouTube channel. There is a whole playlist for new YouTubers and I hope that those videos will be very helpful for you. Okay, so now without further delays, let's get into our video. Here you can see that this is my YouTube channel, and let's suppose that if I open this video, here you can see that this is my video and I have already added subtitles to this video. Okay, so if I play this video, then here you can see that the subtitles is added. Okay, so I will show you how to add these subtitles to your YouTube videos. First of all, I will just open my YouTube channel and here this was the video. Okay, so just click here and after that just click subtitles here. As my video is in English, that's why YouTube has automatically detected its language as English. Okay, so I will just click here, duplicate and edit. After that, these all are my subtitles and this is automatically generated by YouTube. Okay, so if you want to edit these subtitles, then you can just click here. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to watch YouTube videos while using other apps. I will show you two methods. Here you can see that this subtitle is automatically added to my YouTube video. Okay, from here you can just edit the timeline. Like if you click here, then you can see you can just drag it left side or right side. Okay, so you just have to keep all this in mind. So once you are finished, you just have to click on this publish. Now let's talk about any other language. So if you want to add any other language, then you have to click on this add language and here you can select any language. For example, I will just select Urdu. Okay, and once you are done with it, you have to click on this add. Now in this page you have got three options. Either you can upload a file or you can type manually or you can auto translate. And I'm just saying you that the YouTube automatic translate is 110% exact. Okay, here you can see this is automatically written on my YouTube video, and if I click on this play,
hey guys, welcome to my YouTube.
Then I can just verify that the written language is exactly correct. So if there is any mistake, then you can just edit from here. And same is with the timeline, you can just drag it left or right according to your requirements. And once you are finished with it, you can click on this publish. Now one more language is added to my YouTube video. Okay, so if I click on my video and just refresh this, then this is my video, and if I click on this settings and go to subtitles, then here we have got the option of Urdu. Okay, so I will just click here and my subtitles can be seen in Urdu language. Okay, so this is how you can add subtitles to your YouTube video. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.